Got anything new? Haha, yeah. There we go, guys. Nice. Porsche. The Carrera. This thing is clean. I like that a lot. It's kind of cool. Another recolor. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Alright, let's see. What else do we have? Looks like that is it. A little St. Patty's Day. It's a lot of F case. Alright. Ooh, new ZR1. Definitely like it. Let's put that back there. Ooh, there it is. Definitely had my eyes on this one. Alright, what else we got? What else we got? Got another Bentley. But it looks like that is all of the F case. So we'll take it. Got the new fast wagons. That's nice. Look at that. Got the Volvo, which I do have a couple of the mainline variations, but this Audi, that Audi's nice. But I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit. That Volvo's really clean. I love the stance of that. Cool. All right, guys, check this out. We got 2 bags of goodies, and I did just receive this package of some protective cases right here. I did order these off of Amazon. I think it was like 12 of them. I don't know how much they were exactly, but I'll post it on the screen, that way you guys can know. But definitely needed these, especially for this treasure hunt jaded, which I'll put in there right now. There we go. Has all the room needed to keep everything protected. So we have that one. We definitely want to put this treasure hunt mini in one of these cases, so we'll go ahead and put that one in there. So it doesn't have the little tabs that most have to where the card actually slides in there, but it does give it enough room to where it's not going to damage anything. Check that out. Very nice quality. Definitely do like it. It is from sterlingprotectorcase.com. So I definitely do like these. I do have a few cars that I definitely need to put in some cases, especially like the Ferraris that I have, the Teslas that I have up there. I definitely want to put those in there, but that's just a personal preference, and a few other cars. So definitely excited that I got this in. This was actually supposed to get here like next month, so it actually got here a little early. But anyways, guys, back to the Target haul. You got right here is the new recolor of the 2020 Jaguar F-Type in a nice dark charcoal metallic, and it does have the Trap 5 wheels in chrome this time. The first variation in blue metallic had the chrome 10 spokes, which I think it would look a lot better on this cast if they took off these trap wheels. Now, I don't hate the wheels, but I definitely wish they would have kept the 10 spokes. But this color looks really good. Of course, it does have the nice front as well as the rear tampos, and it's just overall a very nice casting. So definitely stoked to have this one out of the factory fresh lineup. Next up is the new recolor of the Mazda RX3 out of the Hot Wheels Drift series, and this is the white enamel with the Mad Mike livery all over this thing, and it looks really nice. Same thing with this. If it had front and rear tampos, this car would look amazing. So I definitely can't wait to get my hands on the Super. Of course, I hope I can get the Super, but it does have the black steelies on there. And of course, if you want to compare, I definitely think the green one is a little bit better because of the color. That green pearlescent color just looks amazing. And of course, the wheel choice that they put on there, it's the same black steelies, but the gold ring really ties it all together and it makes that color just look so nice. So I definitely think the green is a really nice variation of it. But of course, I do like this type of livery and it looks super race inspired. So definitely like this one. Next up is another recolor of the Triumph TR6 in a red metallic. And of course, it does have the black steelies with the white ring. And I definitely do like this car a lot. A lot of people don't like it. But I am a huge fan of this car. I don't know what it is about it, but I love that windowless type of roadster. It just looks really sweet. So this is out of the Hot Wheels Race Day. If you want to compare the first release colors, you do have the Target Red Edition, which I think is probably the best variation because the red and black just looks so menacing. And then of course you do have the green with the black steelies and the copper ring. So those two look really good, but this red one just looks as great as all the other ones. But again, the Target edition is my favorite. Even though this is red, I still like the Target edition a little bit better. But of course, I want the other variation as well. Next up is a new recolor of the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible in a pearl white with the black PR5s and the red ring. Of course, you do have the front and rear tampos, which they did really good on the subtle touches right there on the back. They even incorporated the taillight vents right there on the back bumper. But this does have the black racing stripes running down the center with the black interior. And this is going to fit in nicely with the other Corvette ZR1 convertibles I have. I definitely like that orange color, that orange metallic. But this one is still my favorite. Check out those high and low spots in that paint. It really makes the curves of that car really stand out. And I love the wheel choice on that one. So that is still my favorite variation of the ZR1. But the white one does look nice. I do like it a lot. But it's just not as good looking as the blue one in my opinion. But definitely stoked to have the new recolor. Next up is another recolor of the Porsche 944 Turbo out of the Magnus Walker set. This is out of the Hot Wheels Turbo lineup. It is a matte blue and red finish. Definitely do like that. It does have the gold J5 wheels all the way around, and of course the black interior. Now, of course, like I always do, I always show the prior releases or variations of it, and the silver one is right here. I definitely like this one a little bit better. But of course, guys, you can't go wrong with the matte finish. They left the same wheels, so I'm glad they didn't put any aero discs or Trap 5 wheels on there, but it looks really nice in this matte blue and red finish. But still, I think that silver and blue takes the cake. Let me know in the comments down below which one of those was your favorite, the silver or this new matte blue finish. It is clean, not gonna lie, it is clean. Next up is another recolor of the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. I think this one is by far my favorite variation just because of the deco work. I love this race inspired livery that's on there with the 100 right there with the Bentley underneath. And I just love the way the white splits the green and black. It just looks really nice. And this green has some really nice light spots to kind of exaggerate those vents right there on the front hood. It just looks really good. Now the green one before, a lot of people were not a fan of, maybe because of the gray deco that was on there. Not too sure what that was all about, but I really do like the GameStop exclusive. That blue looks very nice, but I gotta say, this is probably my favorite livery. This thing just looks really nice, very GT looking, and I absolutely love that green. Very nice recolor. I think they did really good with that one. Next up is another recolor of the 96 Porsche Carrera in a dark green enamel with the yellow and white deco, as well as the blank racing circles right there. Now, I know that's probably for customs. You can add the numbers on there if you have the water transfer decals, but again, the aero discs are not working for me on this cast. The prior variation was in white with the tan and orange deco on there with the gray aero discs. And like I said, the aero discs are not working for this car. I think overall my favorite variation is this pearlescent yellow, and then of course the Kroger exclusive. I definitely like those a lot, and of course you can't go wrong with the simple black 96 Carrera right there with the chrome 5-spoke wheels. Very simple. That's all they have to do. I don't know why they keep putting these aero discs, but I still gotta say that yellow, that pearlescent yellow, is probably one of my favorites. It is a new recolor, and of course, me being a variation collector, I will pick it up. It's not bad looking. I love the color. It's just the wheels. Last but definitely not least, I had this on my radar because check out this artwork, guys. That is very, very nice. Those cherry blossoms look so nice on there, and I love this chrome finish. It kind of reminds me of Shredder from Ninja Turtles. I don't know why, but that's when I first saw it, I was like, that looks like Shredder. It just reminds me of something that the Super Shredder would drive on Ninja Turtles. It is out of the Hot Wheels Metro set, number 7 of 10 cast. But check this out, guys. I really love that artwork. That is the whole reason why I wanted this, is because the overall look of it. It's fantasy, but I definitely do like it. It is the Ragin Express. Definitely like that. So not too bad of a haul, guys. I only picked up 8 F-Case cars. They did have a lot, but yeah, there you go. You do have the F-Case series on there. And the only advice I can give you guys is if you start seeing people posting about F-Case dropping at Targets, doesn't matter if it's in your area, check your targets, because once one starts to drop, they all tend to fall in line. So I saw a lot of people posting about F-Case at Targets. So I was like, you know what? I need to go today. And then I scored some pretty good F-Case. So not going to complain about that. Earlier today, I did pick up another Prelude because I am going to do a custom of this. I just love this color. It's so nice. Picked up another Dodge van for a custom I'm going to do. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I am going to do something with that. Finally got my hands on the silver 8 crate. I know I'm missing the white and green one. I just got to find that one, but I don't know why I kept passing this up. This is a really nice Chevy wagon. It just looks really, really good. Picked up a treasure hunt Viper because I gave my duplicates away, and I like to have this in case anyone else needs it, or in case I'm doing a trade, I have one to throw in there as a bonus. So then we got a huge influx in Q case cars at Walmart, and there was literally about 30 of these. Probably about 30 of each, literally stacked on top of the dump bin. I picked one of each because I gave all my Zamax away pretty much in my last giveaway and then during other packages and stuff. So I really wanted to refresh my Zamax. But since these are base, I will be doing a custom out of the McLaren and the Boss. I don't have to do much work to get that surface prep. It's already done for me. So that is why I picked them up, because all these cars right here, besides the 8 crate's not going to be a part of that, but all these cars are going to be, and this Viper, can't forget the Viper, but all these cars are going to be a part of some type of custom work. So that's why I picked those up. Overall, guys, definitely stoked to finally get some F-Case. We've been dry like for I don't know how long, but like I said, guys, slowly but surely that G-Case is coming, and I really want to get my hands on that new recolor GT500 and hopefully the Super, because that thing looks wicked. That is all I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know which one of these F-Case was your favorite, and also let me know if you like the previous versions or you like the new recolors. So again, as always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.